Understanding your buyer persona. Amazon FBA is a wonderful service that takes a lot of the guesswork of business away for you, as well as a lot of the busy work. It's no longer up to you to worry about things like storage, delivery, or making sure that your customers actually receive their products. But that doesn't mean that you are completely detached from the important decisions that will make your model sink or swim. In fact, it just gives you more time to focus on the truly important factors. For example, your marketing. Marketing is one of the most crucial aspects of any business. Ultimately, the very best product in the world still won't sell if no one knows about it. With Amazon, you have a ready-made distribution platform, connecting you to billions of people. And now you need to think about how those people will find the items you're peddling. And one aspect of this is to consider and understand your buyer persona. So what is a buyer persona? What am I talking about here? Essentially, the buyer persona is the persona of your ideal customer. This is a portrait, if you will, of the kind of person who is most perfectly suited to the products that you want to sell. Try and write a biography for this person, as though you were defining a character for a book you were about to write. How old are they? What gender? What is their average income? What do they do in their spare time? Are they married? Do they have kids? Where are they located? What is their political leaning? All of these things can help you get a better idea of precisely who this person is, and that will then help immensely when it comes to marketing. For example, if you know the hobbies and interests that your customers are likely to share, then this creates a lot of potential marketing opportunities. You can now identify the websites they are likely to visit and the magazines they are likely to read. What's more is that you can create a strong content marketing campaign. If you run a blog to promote your store, you'll now know what kinds of things to write about and what to avoid saying if you don't want to alienate your buyers. You can even use this information to help choose a price for your products and to know when to make your biggest marketing pushes. So, get to know your buyers.